Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, I can listen you. Good morning.
Good morning. Hi. Okay. All right. So let's start. Okay. So today's topic is travel.
Oh,
Travel. Do you want to talk
what?
about travel? Today's topic,
Travel.
travel. Do you want to talk about traveling?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yes,
what do
okay. No
you
problem. I can
okay.
talk.
Okay. So what do you do? What is your job? What is your job?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay.
Yeah, my job is to do our study and I also teach.
Okay, okay. So you study, you're a student and a teacher.
Yes,
Okay. So do you travel?
yes, yes. As well as I teach from a student.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
I travel,
So
but I don't like travel
yeah,
too much because I have no
you
choice to
don't
visit
like
many
travel.
places.
Okay. So how do you visit these places? Is it because of your job?
Yeah.
Because you're a teacher?
No, no, no. Because sometimes I travel because of some work, and sometimes I travel with my friends for visiting many places and for some work. But I have no any especially work for going to many places because especially I teach in the school and in the coaching. Every day I go there. But in India, in Bihar, I think in whole India is still lockdown. So so I am staying at home and now I am not teaching because I cannot go outside for teaching purpose.
Okay. Okay, okay. So of course now because there's COVID-19, you can't go out, you can't travel,
So teach.
teach. Yeah. Yeah. But
Yes,
before
yes,
COVID-19,
you are right.
yeah. But before COVID-19, what are some places you visited with
Yes,
your friends?
yes, yes. I have visited many places in India, Haryana, Delhi, Kolkata. Yeah, many places. Patna. Yeah, many places.
Okay, okay. So do you enjoy traveling?
But yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
in Delhi, I have seen. Yeah, yes, that time I enjoyed traveling, and but I have not visited Haryana, Delhi with my friends. I have visited with my brother because I went there for for uh, for managing because that time uh, I wanted to see my shop because
Okay.
my brother is a businessman. Yes, so he has a mobile shop. He has clothes shop. So that yeah, that time I went there. Yes.
Okay. And what were you saying about Delhi and Haryana?
So teacher, yes, I think good because Delhi and Haryana is good city and everything is good because their education system and people are also good
Okay.
and there are many places I like there. Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So teacher,
Um,
I have one question to you.
mhm.
Can I
Tell
ask?
me. Yeah, sure, sure.
Can I ask?
Sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay. So uh, yeah. So I want to ask you one question. That my question is that how can you do work on Clapingo like like a tutor because it's your job.
Yeah.
Can you tell me something about how can you become a tutor on Clapingo? Can you tell
Oh,
me something? I want to know.
how to become a tutor on Clapingo? You want to become a tutor on Clapingo?
Yes, yeah, yes, yes. I
Okay.
want to know.
Okay. Um, so basically I saw an advertisement
Yes,
and I applied for the job. Um, I applied for the job. I told them what my education level, and I had to make a video showing how much English I know, how good I am at English, and I sent it to them, and they thought I was good. So
yes,
now
yes.
I work here.
Okay, no problem. So I want to know about your education qualification. How much educated are you?
Okay. Right now I am doing my Bachelor of Arts in Economics honors.
Bachelor of Arts.
Bachelor of Arts, yeah. In
Okay.
Economics honors, yeah.
And what do you want to be in your life?
I don't know yet.
Okay. And what's your dream? Do you have any another goal? Yeah,
I
you
don't
don't know
know.
yet. Why?
I don't know. I don't know yet.
Okay. So are you satisfied with Clapingo?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, no problem. So are you satisfied with Clapingo?
Yes, yes, yeah.
So how much money do you get per month?
That changes every month. I've not even been here for a month. I've been here for a few
Hello.
weeks, so I don't know. Hello?
Oh, you are only here for 3 weeks.
Few weeks, yeah. It's not been a full month yet. Almost a month.
Hello.
So I don't know. I don't know yet.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Okay.
So tell. So so okay. So in India, yeah, in India, where do you live? In which state? Can you tell me?
Yeah. I live in Karnataka.
Hello.
Hello.
You live in Karnataka. Yes, but I have seen many videos of Calipingo application. Yeah, yeah. I have seen many videos of
Hmm.
Calipingo application. Many tutors they belong to Karnataka. So
Okay.
can you tell me what's the reason? What's the reason many tutors they belong to Karnataka?
I have no idea. I don't know.
Yes, yes. Tell me.
I don't know. I don't know. I
You have
don't know
no.
why they belong to
You have no
Karnataka.
idea why. I think okay, but no. Okay, no. Okay, okay, but no problem. But I have also talked with many friends, and they belong to Karnataka. But in
Okay.
compared to another states people, if I talk with Karnataka people, and those people who yeah, it means those people who belong to Karnataka, so their English is good. But if I compare to another states people like UP, Bihar, and like many states, Bengal, Kolkata, many
Mm-hmm.
states of India, but maximum people their English is not good as much as the people who belong to Karnataka. Yes.
Okay. Yeah, maybe. Maybe.
So how long? Okay, I have one question. So how long do you talk with? How long do you talk with a person on Kelipingo?
Oh, with you, I have to talk for 15 minutes.
Yes, yes. I'm not asking with only me. Total. How long do you talk with members on Kelipingo? It means
Total
how long
50.
do you job one day? How long do you job in one day on Kelipingo application?
Okay. It's different on different days because I'm a student and I have other work to do. So depending on my time, it's different on different days. It's not fixed.
Okay, no problem. But I want to ask you one question because
Last question.
today. With how many people? With how many people will you talk? Only today.
Again, that
What?
changes. It changes. It depends on how much time I have.
Hello.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, now we'll come back to you.
Yes, I
Ask me
can listen.
questions
Yes, speak.
later. Yeah. Okay. So we'll come back to you. We'll talk about some of
Okay.
the
Okay.
mistakes you're making. Okay, because our
Okay.
session will end soon. So we'll not talk more. I'll tell you some mistakes that you're making. And you just listen and you can try working on them later on. Okay.
Okay.
So
Yes. Yes. Please.
yeah. Yeah. So you said when you went to
Okay.
Haryana, Delhi, you said I am enjoyed. I am enjoyed when I went to Haryana, Delhi. But it will be I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed in the past when I
I
went to
enjoyed,
Haryana. I enjoyed, not I am enjoyed. Okay. I enjoyed.
but I think okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
I
Yes. I
enjoy.
know. I enjoyed, but I have not said that I am enjoyed. I have enjoyed.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So you know. And you will say I
Hello.
enjoyed. Hello. Okay. And you will say
Yes. Yes.
I enjoyed myself. You never
I'm,
just say
I'm
I
listening you.
enjoyed. Yeah. You never just say I enjoyed. You always accompany it with another word. So I enjoyed myself. You always say I enjoyed myself or I enjoyed my travel. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Then you said
Okay.
uh
Okay. Good.
can you say the word
Okay. And
shop?
tell me my another mistake.
Yeah. So can you say the word shop? You visited your brother's
What?
shop. Can you say the word shop? You visited your brother's
Stop.
shop. Yeah. So
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
will
Stop.
be, yeah. So you're saying shop. Okay. But shop is spelled SHOP. Okay. So SH is always pronounced sh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sh. Okay. So you will say shop. Can you say shop
Stop.
once?
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Shop. Yeah. Good, good, good. Okay.
Stop.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Then you told me that oh no, sorry. You said something like staying. Okay, when you said I stay in something like that, you said staying, but it will be staying. Okay, you added an e at the beginning. Okay, so it will be staying. Say the word staying.
Yes. Yes. Staying.
No, so it won't be staying. It will only be
What do I?
staying.
What do I have to say? Staying or saying?
Staying. Staying.
Staying.
No, no, no. Not staying. Not
Staying.
staying. Staying.
Staying.
No, no, no. Staying. Only staying.
Hello. Okay.
Hello.
Okay. Listen. Listen. Leave. Okay. Leave this. Okay. Leave this word. You
Okay,
can tell me. No.
let's go to
You
another
can
one.
tell me another
Yeah, yeah.
word. No problem.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Let's go to another one. Okay. One last pronunciation error.
Okay.
Say visit.
But teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So say visit.
Visit.
No, no. Visit.
Yeah. Visit.
Okay. That's a little better. That's a little better.
Yes. I'm saying
Maybe.
visit. Visit.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay,
Yeah.
one last correction. You said I have a question to you. Okay, when you were asking me questions, you said I have a question to you, but that's incorrect. It will be I have a question for you.
Yes. Yes,
Okay, I have a
both
question
may be
for
right.
you. Okay, but it will be I have a question for you. I have a
Okay.
question to
Can I
you
say?
is, yeah.
Is it right? I have a question to you. Is it right?
No, no. It is I have a question for you. I have, like, for example, I
Hello?
have a row. Hello. It is I have a question for you.
Okay, why?
That's how it
Yes.
is. English is not science. You can't explain it with logic.
Okay, listen,
That's just the rule.
if you, okay, 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 listen, if you don't know, then you can't say that this is wrong sentence. I have a question to you. This is a right sentence. If you don't know, then you can ask to anyone, okay? But you cannot say that I have a question to you. This is a wrong sentence, okay? This is right sentence, and you can try to know about from anyone.
No, no, it's not about not knowing. I know that it's correct, but there is no explanation. That is just the rule. There are rules in English language, and this happens to be a rule. Like, for example, I can't tell you why we pronounce shop as shop. That is just the rule. That is just how SH is pronounced.
Okay, yes, I know.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, I know there are many rules in English, but while
Yeah,
speaking
exactly.
time, we don't need to care about all rules because sometimes we can make mistakes, but it doesn't matter. Yes,
Yeah, no, of
you know,
course.
because there are many rules in English speaking, but while speaking time, we cannot say that I have a question to you. This uh, because my teacher told me, and my teacher taught me also. I have a question to you. This is right sentence. But why are you saying that this is wrong sentence?
Because that is the rule. Okay, it's fine. It's okay. Um,
Hello,
Hello. No, that's fine. It's okay. Maybe
hello.
let's see what another teacher says.
Okay,
Okay? Yeah? All right. So our session is ending now. It's going to end. So I'm
yeah,
going to end the session. Okay?